Hello there, Fujifilm have now formally announced that the X-T4 flagship camera will be available from the 30th of April, boasting some very impressive features, not least in-body image stabilization, a fully articulated screen and a brand new battery, amongst 1,000,001 other features. It really is set to be a winner. Pricing has been confirmed too. In the US it will sell for $1,700 body only, and in the UK it will be £1,549 body only. Now, Fujifilm have admitted that due to the coronavirus affecting the Far East in particular, stock at launch is likely to be extremely restricted. However, you can get your hands on one if you live anywhere near London. Now, you can't buy one, but Fuji's own store, the House of Photography, has the X-T4 available for you to go in, touch, feel, take photographs with, and generally drool over. Yes, they have it right now, but you cannot buy it. The store is in Covent Garden in London, and it's one of London's best kept secrets. It was opened in December of last year, and it certainly is well worth a visit. Now, there may be stock to handle elsewhere within the world. Fuji may have other stores, I really don't know. But if you know of somewhere that has an X-T4 that you can play with, please drop it in the comments below and share the love and the information with others. So if you're in the UK, near London, and you want to touch an X-T4 right now, go to Fuji's The House of Photography. My name is Ian Davis. You've been watching Davco Media TV. Until the next time, thank you for watching.